Born in Tanahu in August 1913, Professor Yadu Khanal served as Nepal's Foreign Secretary twice and as ambassador to India, China, and the United States. As a profound diplomat, thinker, writer, and scholar, Professor Khanal intellectualized Nepal's foreign policy during its formative years to effectively navigate through complex geopolitical times.
मलाई के लाग्छ भने कूटनीति भनेको चाहिँ अत्यन्त गहिरो विषय यो यसका चाहिँ लिङ्केजहरू हुन्छ प्रायोरिटिजहरू हुन्छ पहिले अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ हुनु पर्यो आफ्नो नेसनल हिस्ट्री हैन त्यसैले चाहिँ यो परराष्ट्र नीति चाहिँ नि स्वतन्त्र रूपमा चाहिँ नि गर्न त्यसका चाहिँ अनेक किसिमको कमजोरी आउन सक्छ पहिले चाहिँ नि आफूले आफ्नो इतिहास अनि आफ्नो नेसनल अब्जेक्टिभ के हो.
Professor Khanal played a significant role in institutionalizing Nepal's foreign service. His vision and insights continue to inspire generations of diplomats.
So what Yadu Khanal said and wrote in his books and speeches are still very relevant because geography does not change. Power relationships do not change much. So what he said as fundamentals of Nepal foreign policy are still fundamentally correct today.
In 2022, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs launched this lecture series as a tribute to his distinguished service to the nation.
Professor Yadu Khanal rightly states that trying to keep abreast of international law is a worthy goal of Nepal. Both national and international conditions demand this, unquote.
Professor Khanal used to say, we cannot communicate with the outside world effectively unless we communicate with ourselves. I think we are doing just that through this lecture series.
Even a preliminary reflection of the situation suggests how central was the changing relationship between United States, Soviet Union and China in shaping the relationship between Nepal and India at a time when Professor Khanal was in charge of Nepal's diplomacy in the 1960s.
It is often said that Prithvinarayan Shaha unified Nepal, Bhanubhakta Acharya standardized Nepali language, and Yadunath Khanal intellectualized Nepal's foreign policy.
The domestic affairs of each country should be decided by its own people, and the regional matters should be discussed collectively.
Professor Yadunath Khanal lecture series stands as a tribute to the pioneering legacy and enduring contributions of Professor Khanal, and his insights not only shaped our foreign policy, but also intellectualized it while laying the foundation for a professional, committed, and competent foreign service and its institutionalization during its formative years.
Professor Khanal's vision and his understanding of the world and world around Nepal was one of the most inspiring, which shaped Nepal's foreign policy, and his vision continuously stays relevant in a world that's rapidly changing. Geopolitical dynamics, geoeconomic dynamics are shaping the world today, and that has had huge impact and potentially will have further impact in Nepal. And that vision and that inspiration of him will continuously shape Nepal's development diplomacy and Nepal's national prosperity and to safeguard Nepal's national interest. So we hope that this lecture series will provide us the knowledge and expertise and guidance from some of the best possible minds in Nepal and from abroad. And this allows us to understand what's happening to us, around us, from the perspective of people who have engaged in foreign policy themselves, who have been part of research and knowledge creation. This will further, we hope, will advance Nepal's foreign policy, our ability to conduct diplomacy abroad, and enhance Nepal's national interest.